Here with NT Thunder coach Xavier Clarke, who is accepting the Leading Goal Kicker Award on behalf of Darren Ewing. It is now his fourth NEAFL Leading Goal Kicker Award in the 6 seasons the NEAFL has been running. Xavier, tell us about how much Darren is worth to the side.
Yeah, look, he's a unique character for starters. So his presence around the football club is invaluable. You know what he does for the players and our camaraderie and the way he leads the football club. And he's, like I said, he's that character. So, and plus, kicking goals definitely helps. And he's won games off his own boot this year, where he's been really dominant. So, and there's been games, even when we played Sydney in Darwin a couple of weeks ago. He only kicked the 2 goals, but his work off the ball was really fantastic, which a lot of people don't really see. So yeah, he's been great for us.
He's obviously been around for a long time. He's played in every single Thunder season since the club's inception in 2009, of course a couple of NTFL seasons before that. Do you think he's getting better with age?
I think as you grow as a footballer and you get older, you get smarter. So I think that's what happens, and he understands the game now as a more of a whole approach of actually how the game operates, and instead of the end result of just kicking goals. So he's importance for our forwards and our midfield group to be able to work together, and so he's getting smarter. On the weekend, I think Sully tried to take him in defensive 50, and Book went all the way with him. I think one of the comments I said to him at quarter time was that, mate, you're the best leading goal kicker in the competition. What are you doing down in our defence? So he's getting smarter and he's enjoying his footy. I think he's seen a lot of the young guys come through, and he's getting a lot of, he's getting a bit of a spring in his step about that as well.
Obviously down here on the eastern seaboard of Australia, he's kicked so many goals and we know what a fabulous player he is, but I know he is very popular in the territory. Around the club, what is he like, and does he bring a lot of enthusiasm and I guess character to the club?
Yeah, he is a character. He's unique. He's a unique person in football, and he's a very private person too, Darren. He's got a young family. And he enjoys his time with his wife and his kid, but when he comes to the club, everyone just sort of bounces off him, and he has a bit of a little comment here and there that has a little stab at a couple of boys, and I think it was one of the games where I think one of the boys wanted to nominate themselves to play full forward, and Bull said, well, unless you kick 16 goals in 2 weeks, you're not going to get a spot at full forward. So he throws these little comments out there that players don't expect, and get a little bit of a laugh out of it as well.
And just finally, elimination final against Aspley this week, a grand final rematch. Your rivalry is one of the biggest in the competition. Of course, Ewing kicked a bag the last couple of times. He just loves playing at Graham Road against Aspley. So looking forward to the contest, and I guess can the defending Premier go all the way again?
Yeah, look, it's great. The competition, we probably made it a little bit hard for ourselves finishing in the 5th position, but we're excited about the challenge going to Graham Road and playing Aspley again. Like you said, they are. They're a rivalry, no doubt, but we've built that really good respect for them over the last 3 years or so, and they're a great side. They've got some great players, and we'll go back to Darwin tomorrow, and we'll pick our best squad available who we think can get the job done, and they're really looking forward to that challenge. And our effort's been really good over the last couple of weeks against the Swans, and again yesterday against the Southport Sharks have been really good. So if we can bring that effort and that intensity, we sort of give ourselves a chance, and anything can happen from there, and hopefully we can progress through, but there needs to be a lot of work to be done.
Well, congratulations to Darren for his 4th goal kicking award, and all the best for the rest of the finals campaign.
Thank you.